School.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Srinagar.
Assam,
Dishpur.
Bihar,
Patna.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Goa,
Ranchi. Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Haryana. Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan,